channel. I am coming here with another unboxing for my Boxy Charm box for the month of June. And I am showing you guys what I got in this box. There's different variations of the boxes this month. And mine's, I'm okay with it. There's a couple of things that I really don't care for in the box, which I never asked Boxy Charm, so I will be sending them a message because I never asked for facial stuff in my when I did my review, my little whatchamacallit, they asked you for a couple of questions, and I said I really didn't want no facial stuff. I don't put none of that stuff in my face because I'm allergic to a lot of the stuff, especially some that has the teas and the trees and all these oils and all this stuff. I cannot mess with that. I break out in hives, so I can't be using that stuff. So a lot of the stuff I can't really use. I have to give away. So, and I really want the products. You know, I haven't even got brushes. I got in my first box brushes. I want brushes. I like brushes. So, and I love matte, you know, lip. And I've been getting a lot of, like lip glosses. I'm not into lip glosses. I want the stuff that I asked for when they asked me all these questions. So let me show you guys. I did want to rant a little bit because I am going to be emailing Boxy Charm and letting them know, Joe, I don't want these kind of products. I want some products that I want. Like, I want to try some new makeup. I really don't want face stuff. I'm not into that face stuff. I don't like the cleansers. I don't like the creams for my body. None of that, because I'm allergic. When I take a shower, I have to take a shower with baby Johnson & Johnson because I'm so allergic to all these soaps, Doves, Ivory, Cest. I'm allergic to a lot of these soaps, Dial. I can't even use none of that stuff that's scented. So I definitely don't want none of these stuff in my box. Hopefully I could get some boxes that I love, and you know, and I really wanted the eyeshadow palette and I didn't get it. I'm upset, but I do love too this glow palette, and I love the decor on the outside, the box, how it feels, with the packaging, everything is just so pretty. But anyways, enough for the ranting. Let me get into my video. So the first thing, I'm gonna let you know what I don't like. I did open the stuff just so it wouldn't be too much, you know what I'm saying, for me, and the video be too long. I wanted to make this real nice, short and sweet, but let's get to this. It says Boxy Charm Getaway. This month is the Getaway, and here are the prices for the stuff that I got in my box. Hopefully everything fits in there and you guys can see. Let's get into the first one. The first one is Skin and Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with truffle extract. I cannot use this. Can I use this crap? I really can't. I will start breaking out and I will be in hives, and I will have to be in the hospital. So therefore, I don't need this. There's no need for me to this. This is a retail of $25. I will show you guys what it looks like. I don't care for that. I really can't use this stuff in my face or in my body. So therefore, I don't have no use for this. So I will be exchanging it with Michael Mai, which is my godson's mother. She's going to send me a couple of the products that she got in her Boxy Luxe and in her previous Boxy Charm box that she doesn't use. So we'll be swapping. She loves all these cream stuff for her face because she likes to try new products. I can't use them. I would love to use them because I'm paying for the box, but I cannot use these things. So therefore, it'll be going to her. I got also this No Problem Prime Essence. I have no idea what it is. Let me, what is it? It is Touch and Sol No Problem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Sol No Problem Prime Essence. I guess it's a primer infused with calendula of official nails Nollies, whatever, flowers extract. The primer is a primer. Tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. I cannot use this. Then again, I'm the type I don't use on my face when I do my makeup. I do light makeup. I'm gonna try to make these crazy, you know, whatchamacallit, in my face, like makeup. I don't know. I'm gonna try to recreate some of these things that I like, makeups that I see and stuff like that. But I know I'm not gonna be successful on it, so don't count on video for it. But I don't use primer. I don't use cover up. I don't cake my face. I don't do none of that. To me, those things stay in your face, and it makes holes in your face. It makes your face even break out more, and no, I don't need that in my face. I don't like that. I don't have, like I said, blemishes, ugly blemishes in my face, other than some scars that I have. You know, I don't have my pimples in my face. I don't break out. I don't need none of that stuff in my face, because I don't want to start breaking out, and I don't want blemishes in my face. So I will not put none of this stuff in my face. I will use my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, my mascara, my blush, my highlight, you know, like certain little things like that. But not, I won't cake my face. You will never see me with my face caked, unless someone is gonna do my face to try and see if I like it. But other than that, I don't think I will be ever doing nothing like that, you know. I just like it natural. I just like something real nice and simple. This retails for $23, okay? And it's a nice size. So yeah. And this is the box that it came in. It's real cute. The packaging is real cute. I just don't, there's no need for me to have this, because there's no use for me. I don't use this. So the second thing I got was the Dominique Lemonade, and the color is Peach Tea, which I love. It's alright. It wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. Let me show you real quick, guys. It's really light. I love the smell on it. It smells so good. Sorry, guys. I'll be right back. Guys, let me finish my video. Let me see if I have this right. It's going everywhere. Let me finish my video. So this is the the lighting. This is the Dominique's Cosmetic, like I was saying, Lemonade lip gloss in the color of peach, guys. So I showed you more or less the swatch for it, and I like the colors. Really not pigmented, like I said. It's just really light and lip glossy, just glossy. And then the second, that was the third. This is the fourth thing, is from Dirty Little Secrets, and it is I think it's a lip pencil, and it's called Rosy Posy. And let me do a little swatch real quick for you guys, so you guys can see. It's very, very cute. I don't even know if that's gonna even pick it up. Let me see. Let me do it here so you guys can see. It's cute. I could pair it with another nice, cute matte lipstick to go with it, and that's from Dirty Little Secrets. And then last but not least is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 palette, guys. And I was hoping I had gotten the eyeshadow palette, and this is from Tarte. Yeah, guys, this is so heavy. I really wanted the other one, but guess what? Whatever floats their boat. I'm gonna be, like I said, hitting them up and letting them know I don't want no more creams for my face. I don't put primer. I didn't ask for none of that stuff, so I don't know why they keep sending me that crap in the box. I thought they would be more attentive to what you asked for, but I guess they really don't care because they are just giving whatever. If I didn't ask for that, it's because I obviously don't use it, don't want it, don't care for it. So I will be hitting them up and letting them know, you know, what I want in the box. I really don't want stuff that I don't use, because then I have to give it away, or, you know what I'm saying, just stay there, whatever. So this is what it looks like, guys. And I did love the packaging on this. This is like nice and suede-y, and it's Tarteist Pro Glow from Tarte palette. And this came a little like, yeah, coming off of the, you know, and into the box itself, the packaging, and I don't like that because then it's gonna mess up the whole, you know, packaging. So it comes with 2 mirrors, one on each side, and it says Tarte on this one. I hope you guys could see that. Let me swatch this real quick for you guys. That's number 1. Hope you guys could see it, because I'm right in the light outside. I'm on the, whatchamacallit, this is the other one, in my window, and I really can't even see what I'm doing. Let me show you the matte, other matte, and this is the bronzer, and then this is the very shimmery. This is real pretty for an eyeshadow, not even for a a bronzer, whatever. And then these are the highlights. This is so pretty. I do like that. And then this other one is so pretty, like a rosy color, rose gold color. So I hope I could find someone that I could trade this with, because I really want the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I can't even talk. So this is the what I got in my box. Hope you guys like it, and like I always say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're not my subby, the button's down there. Look, down here, click it, make it green, you'll become my subby. Also, there is a little bell on the side. Click it every time I upload a video, go live, premiere, do whatever. It will notify you that I am gonna be doing something. So bye, guys.
All right. Okay.